Why do we exist? What are we doing to make our lives more meaningful? Are we living for the sake of it, or do we really want to make a difference in the world? Big or small doesn't matter, but the point is that are we thinking about our life's purpose? Our life really begins the day we identify our purpose. Most of us don't even find the word purpose relatable in our 20s and 30s. Some of us are still struggling to find it in our 40s and 50s. But honestly, there's no right time to find it. Whenever you decide to go looking out for it, trust me, you'll discover it. It doesn't matter what age and stage of life you are in. Today's video is the last one of the series and the one which is the most integral part of our life's journey. We laid our foundation with talking about why mindset is so essential to begin with, and we'll end our series discovering why knowing your purpose is the ultimate goal that all of us need to pursue. Your purpose will define your existence. The dictionary states the meaning of purpose as the aim or intention of something. In other words, purpose signifies why you do something or why something exists. The way purpose can be interpreted would hugely differ from one person to another, but how would we address it in this video would be done with the sole purpose of identifying its relevance in our lives. It's easy for most of us to be delusioned about confusing purpose with ambition or goal. We often assume that if we are clear about what we want to become or what do we want to achieve, we have built clarity in our lives. Not that these are not essential, these are building blocks of our life and give us a direction to shape our journeys. But purpose is something which goes beyond the horizon of ambitions and goals and makes you deep dive into what do you really want to make out of that one life that you have. Let's jump into the depth and try and build an understanding as to why do we need to find our purpose and how would it help us find our contentment and balance in life. To ensure that we stay concise to the point, let's identify 3 parameters which would address this. First, question, dig deep, find a starting point and keep exploring. The first and foremost thing that we need to do as individuals is start asking ourselves, what's our higher purpose in life? Don't get worried when you start getting answers like settled life, good home, balanced finances, so on and so forth. These are your goals. You're on the right track. Keep digging deeper and find a core belief that you adhere to which is nowhere interrelated to your personal benefits. Explore it tighter and identify things which would give you contentment at heart. There could be more than one purpose that you relate to. Great. Stick to it and keep a tunnel vision to achieve it. Second, once identified, don't take your eyes off it. It's easy to lose focus when you get to ground basics of getting food on your plate and maintaining a roof on your head. We struggle with maintaining ethics at personal and professional lives when it comes to surviving and thriving. It's a choice we make, but what's extremely difficult to maintain is sticking to your purpose. When short-term benefits become more vital than long-term goals, losing sight of your purpose becomes a natural outcome. Being sidetracked due to circumstances is a possible occurrence for everyone, but letting go what you identified as your sole purpose is no excuse. Third, be relentless in seeking your purpose. Treat your purpose as your treasure. Once you have a roadmap to reach it, pursue it relentlessly. It would be tough to reach with all possible obstacles that crop up on the way. But don't give up because the way is uphill and treacherous. The rewards of finding your purpose is the most fulfilling thing which would add meaning to your life. It would make you relevant to yourself. Our ability and capability to achieve our goals and fulfill our ambitions keep our glasses half filled and half empty. The career growth, the luxury fulfillment and the social status still makes our life feels like an empty vessel because we fail to identify and pursue our purpose. Your life's purpose need not be humongous like bringing world peace or eradicating hunger and poverty. It could be as simple as helping someone grow by mentoring them or even giving back to the society by helping the underprivileged or lower strata around you. No purpose is big or small. What brings you contentment is the one which is relevant for you. The sooner we realize that our glasses would stay half empty, our pursuit of finding our purpose would be more sincere and meaningful. For that, you don't need to make drastic changes to your life and bring an upheaval in your lives. All you need to do is start asking yourself, what is your life's purpose and how do you achieve it? You may take time to answer it, But as long as the awareness stays with you that your life's purpose would define why you exist, nothing can stop you from finding your inner peace and contentment. And that's all which matters in the end. I will leave you with this thought today and see you in the next series that we begin with shortly. Take care.